3 minus 4x minus 2x square equals to 0. We are going to solve this equation by a standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So first we have to find out what is a, b and c, where we can write where a equals to, a is a coefficient of x square which is minus 2. Then b is a coefficient of x, so it's a minus 4. And finally c is a constant which is 3. Okay, so x equals to, we know this one is a minus b plus minus a root over b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Now here is a minus b means minus 4 plus minus root over b square, it's a minus 4 square minus 4 times a means minus 2, then c means 3, then divide 2a, 2 times minus 2. So we can write this one, once we are trying to solve this one step by step, minus and minus, it will be plus. So plus, then it will be plus 4, then plus minus root over minus 4 square means 16, then minus and minus, it will be plus 4 times 2 8, 8 times 3 is a 24, and then 2 times minus 2, it will be minus 4. So 4 plus minus root over 40 minus 4. So this one we need to some calculation. What? Root 40. So we have to find out a perfect square which is like 4. So 4 times 10 is a 40. Root 4 means 2. Root 10 means like this. Okay. So 4 plus minus root over, so 2 root 10 divide minus 4. Okay. So this one we have to keep now. Now we have to find out what is the value of x. Like once positive, then x equals to 4 plus 2 root 10 divide 4. Okay, so we can write 4 by 4 plus 2 root 10 by 4. Okay, so it's a minus, right? It's a minus. It's a minus. So 4 by minus 4, it will be minus 1. And then it's a minus 4 divide 2 is a 2. So we can write this one is a root 10 by 2. It's the first part. Okay, it's the first part. So what will be the next? Next part, once negative. So x equals to, here is a 4, then minus, then 2 root 10 by minus 4. So 4 divide minus 4, and here is a minus, right? So here is a minus 2 root 10 divide minus 4. So this minus and minus, it will become plus, right? So here is a minus 1, and then plus 2 by 4 is a 2. So root 10 by 2. This is our answer. So here is a two answer. One is a minus 1 minus root 10 by 2, and another one is a minus 1 plus root 10 by 2. So I hope you cleared this one. Have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.